Hey guys, Thunder E here, and yes, I have my God of War Ragnarok Thor hammer. Yes, I know, and I'm going to be talking a lot about that in this video, but this video is all about what I think is the best TV for your PlayStation 5. And of course, God of War comes into play because this is a game that we are all playing right now. Now, before we go ahead, let's give a big shout out to our sponsor of this video, Sony, for sending over this the X90k, as well as also give me some codes for God of War Ragnarok. Now, why do I think this TV is the best TV for the PlayStation 5? Well, there's a bunch of features in there, but before we even get to those, let's start off with just the unboxing experience, because whenever you get a TV, setting up process can be difficult. This, on the other hand, is rather easy. Now, unboxing was pretty quick, fast, and simple. The TV is really light in terms of weight, so it's something you can do by yourself, but honestly, get a friend just to make sure you are not going to damage your TV. I do like the wrapping and making sure that it's really fully protected. It's a 65-inch TV that I have with me, and it comes with a ton of features. It's got 4 HDMI ports, 2 of them are HDMI 2.1 with 4K 120 capabilities with them. And the TV has, of course, acoustic sound built into it, which we'll talk about and show later on in this video. Now, honestly, when it comes to the setup itself, in terms of logging in and doing that process, it's actually pretty straightforward with, of course, Google TV built in. So something you can actually log in with your Google account, scan a QR code, or you can also do that manually if you want to go through all the steps. And I like that they have this kind of opportunities there to give you a very smooth experience in terms of setup. So when it comes to gaming, what is really important for us for gamers? Well, first of all, this is a full array LED TV, which means you're gonna get some really good backlighting on this TV, especially for your brighter scenes and also for all those effects that kind of shine and bright up while during gameplay. Plus, you've got some really nice rich blacks as well, so your blacks look good and your gaming environment is pretty nice. The other aspect of this is that because it's a full array LED TV, you've got really good viewing angles. So you can see on different offset angles, the images still look really clear, and playing God of War looks absolutely gorgeous on this TV, and I like that. Now, of course, speaking of gaming, this TV also has a low input lag of 8.5 milliseconds and a Bravia XR exclusive feature of course, functionality with the PlayStation 5. What does that really mean for you? It means that, first of all, your input lag is at its lowest. So it means you're going to be getting the exact kind of input when you're actually playing your game and getting the response on TV. But on the other hand, when you're getting those Bravia exclusive features, is the fact that you don't need to calibrate this TV for the PlayStation 5. It's already calibrated, so you don't need to do that whole setup of expanding and setting wide and all that fun stuff. No, it knows it already. Another cool feature is the fact that this remote control, which is actually pretty nice, and has, of course, your multimedia buttons and, of course, quick access to your streaming services, will also control your PlayStation 5. So if you use your PlayStation 5 for its Blu-ray player, Blu-ray functionality, you don't have to use the controller. You can also use your standard remote. So again, that works seamlessly with the whole setup of the TV. Now, when it comes to gaming, and just the gameplay experience, again, visually, you're gonna get a very solid representation. Whether you're even having a lot of lighting in the room, you can see clearly that this looks pretty good, or even in darker environments, you're gonna get some really nice visual fidelity and a lot of good color volume all the way through. Now, the other aspect of gaming, of course, is sound and audio. And this has acoustic audio built in, so which means that the audio comes from the glass itself or the screen. So this means that the audio comes from the screen directly, and it also has Dolby Atmos. And honestly, I could lament and I can talk, but why don't you guys take a listen to the audio from this as I'm playing God of War?
You will not find me good company. I'm sure we'll find lots to talk about.
Yeah, I mean, that sounded great, and that was at like 45 in terms of volume levels, which go all the way to 100. So you can clearly see that this really does a good job with the audio while you're gaming. And this is before you are adding even a Sony soundbar that just enriches the whole gaming experience. Now, I love the combination here because of a couple of things. Now, when you're looking for a TV out there, TVs range in different price ranges, and this comes in very affordable for the gamer. Coming in at $999 and something you can pick up right now. This is well priced, giving you something that gives you clear fidelity for your gaming experience, some gaming features, also just some really great audio packed into it. And let's not forget, watching content on this too is really good. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, from Border Work, which of course you guys can go watch some more videos from the channel, or you're watching your favorite movies like Spider-Man No Way Home, which you can actually get from the Bravo Core app. This is just visually stunning, and also the audio, as we heard earlier, just matches all the way through. So honestly, guys, I will have to say that this TV was a great experience to use because, number one, you've got all the features that I need for my gaming experience. You also have something that its price point is very attractive. And what that means is that I should honestly just go back to finish gaming instead of playing around with this. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. And if you guys want to pick up the Sony X90k, use the link down below. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.